In a world where productivity struggles can become overwhelming, companies need effective solutions for growth and success. Imaginaire Digital, a leading web design agency in Nottingham, faced significant productivity challenges in their operations. Ryan Jones, digital marketing executive, shared how their outdated tools stifled their potential and led to chaos. For years, they juggled multiple projects with confusing tools that did not meet their needs effectively. Despite trying various project management platforms, the endless email trails and task confusion persisted, impacting their efforts. Discovering Teamwork transformed the way Imaginaire Digital managed their growing list of projects and clients instantly. Once they implemented Teamwork, the team experienced streamlined processes, eliminating the need for constant status meetings. Client communication improved significantly, with better access to updates and reports, all thanks to automated tools. Imaginaire's newfound clarity in task assignments helped them manage multiple projects while increasing efficiency without stress. With Teamwork in place, they harnessed their productivity like never before, unlocking new levels of success and engagement.